Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a get ready with me, and we are going to use some of the products na bagong launch ng Happy Skin Here to Bloom collection by Catherine Bernardo. And when I say some of the products, I did not get all of it because if I get all of it, it's too expensive, you guys. Gusto kong mag-start tayo from like the super bare face because I have another product to show to you guys, to share to you. Nakita niyo na ba to? Well, this is just a sachet. I only got the sachet because I wanna try muna if it's really nice before I get like the full bottle. This is the Pond's InstaBright Glow Up Cream. I have the two of the three shades kasi hindi ko makita, wala kang makitang sachet sa Mercury nung isa pang shade, pero you can use this in 4 ways. Moisturizer, primer, or makeup base. Pwede mong i-mix sa BB cream or foundation mo, and you can use it as a highlighter. And you guys, naniniwala ako dun sa 4 ways na yun because ginamit ko to in 4 ways. I used it as a base. I mixed it with my BB cream in another day. Syempre, hindi naman lahat sabay-sabay. And then, I used it one day as a moisturizer over the weekend. And then, ginamit ko rin to as a sort of kind of highlighter. And I liked it, you guys. Kapag minix mo to sa foundation mo, magkakaroon ng you know, kind of sheen yung foundation mo or yung BB cream mo. Magmumukha kang dewy fresh. Well, not really dewy. More like, this is sheen eh. But I don't really recommend that much na i-mix mo to sa foundation mo because it's gonna give you like a really glowy all over. Hindi naman masagwa. Well, depende kung gaano karami nilagay mo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung 2 shades that I have. First one is Golden Sunshine. Ayan, oh, day. Alam mo, if you're morena, I do recommend itong Golden Sunshine. Ayan siya. Okay to as a moisturizer lang. Bibigyan ka lang niya lang parang like dewy finish, ganyan. Ayan, oh. So if you're morena, I recommend the Golden Sunshine. And then I have the pink shade. Hindi ko makita yung isa pang shade. 3 shade to eh. I have yung Pink Crush. This is what I'm currently using kasi yung Golden Sunshine was like too deep for me. If I have a BB cream na medyo maputi, ito ginagamit ko, si Golden Sunshine. Pero for everyday na swak naman sa akin yung foundation or BB cream ko, etong si Pink Crush yung ginagamit ko. Ayan, do you see it, guys? I swear, tapos, ang bango pa niya. I forgot how much I bought this, pero, I think I'm gonna buy a full-size product. Mura lang naman yung full-size. Or I'm not sure if it's full-size, pero parang nasa 100 something lang. So, for today, I'm going to use, Pink Crush as a overall moisturizer. Then, I'm going to use, medyo matagal ko hindi nagagamit to on cam, Ever Bolena foundation. For my eyebrows, ginagamit ko pa rin yung Beauty Popeye Pen Shop na eyebrow pencil, and I really love it. If hindi mo pa napapanood yung aking Get Ready With Me using yung bagong products ng Pen Shop, I'm gonna link that video down below. They have really good new products. I'm going to contour muna with my ever favorite Caroline contour stick. So, eto na, mapunta na tayo sa first product, which is the blush. Eto yung Generation Happy Skin On The Go Blush Long Wear Cream Blush. Tadaan! Ay, akala ko may mirror. Wala parang mirror. So, this is the shade Coconut. Sorry guys, isa lang yung shade na binili ko. This is so mahal. This is so much. $449. Well, $450. So, ang claim to fame niya is light and non-greasy. It won't clog pores even as it adheres to skin to provide immovable color until you wash it off. Oy. So, eto si Coconut. And then So, eto si coconut with intense color, and then eto siya sheared out. So, para siyang mala burnt orange look. No? Yung formula niya, mabalmy din. Hindi siya katulad ng Sunny's Face na air blush. Medyo hawig niya si cream blush ng Easy & Company. Para talaga siyang alam mo yung pagmukha kang galing sa beach. Itong si coconut. It's not pinky, it's not like straight red. Parang siyang mga burnt orange. So wala naman sinabi na you can use this as an eyeshadow, pero wala naman tayo magagamit for eyeshadow, so might as well use this. By the way, you guys, okay din siyang gamitan ng sponge. And tingnan natin kung okay siyang gamitan ng brush as an eyeshadow. So, mapunta tayo sa favorite part, which are the lippies. And first kong i-feature yung kanilang Kiss and Bloom Water Lip and Cheek Tint. And I got two shades, Warm and Cheeky. So, unahin natin si Warm. So, ito si Warm. Alright guys, so this is the best I can do. Kasi ang tagal niya mag-set, so nag-move around siya. So, ano siya? Parang brownie tone. If you're morena, hindi ko sure kung makikita to ng bongga-bongga. So, this is what the tint looks like on my lips. Para lang siyang like your lips but better. Kasi meron siyang brownish tone. So, i-enhance niya lang yung color ng lips mo. Wait, let me put another layer. It's not red, by the way. This is what the Warm looks like. Oh my god, but then lang hindi siya madaling mag-set. So, madali ko siya natanggal. Ito ang reddish. And then, ito naman siya if you're gonna use as a blush. Ma-brownie, ma-reddish, and pinkish. So this is what Cheeky looks like. It's at the red. It is lighter than Warm. And I hope you don't mind guys na talagang nilalagay ko sa entire lips ko, hindi lang yung parang sa gitna and then blend it out, because pag blend out kasi natin, magmumukhang pare-parehas lang yan. So, we need to see like the full pack color so we can see the difference. Kung may man difference, you know? So, depende sa skin tone mo magiging difference nito. Well, for me basically, it doesn't, in my skin tone, it doesn't give much of a difference. You know what I mean? Mas deeper lang itong si Warm. But I kind of like Cheeky better. So, mapunta na tayo sa product that everybody is shooketh about. Ito yung Glossy Tint. So, unahin natin yung shade na Tanned. Hindi ko pala sinabi yung claim to fame nung water lip and cheek tint, but you can see it sa Lazada and Zalora. Pero ang claim to fame ng Kiss and Bloom Glossy Tint, vivid, opaque colors with luscious, lustrous finish for a unique take on glossy lippies. This weightless cream gel tint boasts a skincare formula that drenches lips in an intensely moisturizing layer. Wow. Without compromising rich color payoff that lasts the whole day. The overall effect, plump, pigmented lips that look like the juiciest, ripest fruit of the bunch. So meron siyang green tea extract and hops flower extract, whatever that is. Pero it makes the skin supple and hydrated. So eto si Glossy Tint in the shade Tan. So this is the shade Tan. Next shade is in Crimson. This is what Crimson looks like. Etong si Tan is more like peachy and pink. Etong si Crimson is more on like pink. Yeah, warm pink. Do you see the difference? So this is Crimson, you guys, in full pack on color, and it is deeper than Tanned. Before I say my final thoughts, let me just show you the wear test that I did using itong Kiss and Bloom Glossy Tint in the shade, I think I used the shade Crimson. So, unahin natin muna itong si Blush on the Go para finale natin yung mga lippie. So, si Blush on the Go, I like it. I like the formula. It's very close, although very close siya kay Easy & Company Cream Blush. Although this one is a bit creamier. Guys, I beg to disagree that this is an on-the-go blush. Yung mga ganitong type ng blush, kailangan mo maging very, very careful dito. And kailangan, syempre, clean fingers, and as much as possible, baka kailangan mo rin gamitin ng mga tools. Kung nasa stick type siya, gaya nung parang una nilang nilabas na Catherine Bernardo collection din, parang nasa stick form. Yun talaga, that's a blush on the go because you don't have to dip your fingers into the products before applying it. You can apply it like directly on your skin para yung hahawakan na lang ng kamay mo is your skin. So, alam mo yun, somehow less na-contaminate yung product. Pero yung mga ganito na you have to dip your fingers pa here and then saka mo na parang mas okay pa yata na gumamit ka ng tools instead of using your own fingers para alam mo hindi ganito kalat, kailangan po maghanap ng pupunasan and everything. Hindi siya so much on the go for me. So just my comment on the go side. Yung pigment niya, very, very okay ako sa pigment. But do you have to get all the shades? No, I don't think so. Kasi aminin natin, kapag medyo close yung shade range, pag binlend out mo yan, magmumukhang pare-parehas lang yan. Like, it's either pinkish, it's either peachy. Alam mo yan? Unless drastic talaga yung pinagkaiba ng mga shade. Is it worth it for the price? Just one is enough. One shade is enough for the price. Happy Skin eh. Ito yung local brand na social eh. Alam mo yon. So, kung gusto mo ng dupe nito, you might, more affordable, siguro, you can go sa, Easy & Company. Yeah. Taka na nga, yung mga lip products. So, describe ko muna itong si Glossy Tint. Si Glossy Tint, alam mo, honestly, hindi siya parang, like, the typical lip tint, na watery lip tint. Yes, jelly siya, pero pwede mo ito i-consider as a liquid lipstick, but like, a less opaque liquid lipstick. Naka-depende to dun sa, dun sa color ng lips mo. If you have deep lips, mas magiging deeper pa to. But if you have like pale lips like I do, sometimes, well, most of the time, saka makikita yung parang, alam mo yun, super duper difference nila. I like the formula. It's better than the typical tint na pag ginanon mo walang ka-moisture. Ito siguro ang kinilamang nito, yung salitang glossy, is pag ginanon mo, madulas. So you can always do this, do that, and it's not gonna do anything. Yung pagiging glossy niya, honestly, it's gonna last. It's gonna be glossy hanggat wala siyang nadidikit ng kahit ano. Nakita niyo naman sa WearTest. Pag dumikit na yan sa mask mo, well, hindi imposibleng kailangan dumikit sa mask mo because you always have to wear mask. Mababawasan yung pagiging glossy niya hanggang sa mawawala na yung pagiging glossy niya. And pag kumain ka, you're gonna eat away the tint. Kung ako tatanungin, the glossy lips or the watery tint, dito na ako sa glossy lips because it's a different formula. Alam mo yun. Is it worth it for the price? Yung water tint, not so much for me. Magkano yun? 329? Yeah, 329. Pero ito, 349 because it gives me a different finish, because it's a different formula, and baka pwede pa. Baka, sige, papayag na ako sa 349. Kasi iba, dahil sa formula niya, but not because of the lasting power or something like that. One shade lang siguro pwede na. Oo. Pili ka na lang dito, depende on your skin tone. So, what else am I gonna chika? I think, yun na. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!